Hi, welcome. I am Anna from Anna D Coaching. I wanted to make a video today to share my top 3 tips to help you stop overthinking and to sleep better. So again, welcome, I'm Anna. So tip number 1, the first tip to help you stop overthinking and to sleep better at night is do simple things each day to ground yourself. And when I say ground yourself, I mean energetically connect with Earth. And there's many simple ways to do this. You can go and walk in a garden without your shoes. You can walk around in nature, still wearing your shoes if you wish. Just sit next to a tree, touch a tree. Even walking around barefoot in your house, as long as you're not wearing any shoes or socks. This will also help ground you as long as you're focusing on feeling grounded and connected. And a simple 1 or 2 minute meditation where you just sit quietly with your feet on the floor, this is also a great way to ground yourself. Tip number 2, keep active. Each day you need to move your body for a minimum of 45 minutes. You could walk, swim, dance, do some form of exercise that is just going to have you moving your body, because physical movement, it helps calm an overactive mind, it releases excess energy, and well, it helps make you tired, so you're more likely to sleep at night. And my third tip, tip number 3, is use emotional freedom techniques. Sometimes you'll hear me call it EFT or tapping. Basically, you use this technique to release intense emotions and feelings that might be keeping you awake at night. So all you do is you take 2 fingers and you lightly tap these pressure points. And you talk to yourself. You talk out maybe a situation that upset you, that hurt your heart, that made you angry, made you sad, whatever it is. You just talk about how you're feeling, how it made you feel, until you start to release those feelings. If you found this helpful at all, and you're ready to stop overthinking and start sleeping better, in the next 30 days, I put together this really easy to follow guide. It's probably going to show backwards here. But I put together this guide that outlines my step-by-step process to help you wake up feeling relaxed and more ready for your day. So if you'd like a copy of this guide, please comment me, M-E, below, all right? And I'll get back to you with the link. Not following my Instagram channel yet, please do that, Anna D Coaching, and have a beautiful day. Hugs and light.